Vegan sweet potato pie that will warm your heart.
And the ingredients, they're all in the description below.
For the sweet potato filling, 2 1/4 cups of cooked and mashed sweet potatoes, 1/4 of a cup of coconut milk, 1/4 of a cup of maple syrup, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of Florida Crystals granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of melted coconut oil, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and a pinch of salt. Mix until well incorporated. For the pie crust, pour filling into the crust. Bake for 45 to 50 minutes at 350 until set. Cool on a wire rack and then refrigerate for at least 2 hours before serving. And now, have fun decorating! Yummy! How delicious is that? Oh my god, let me show you this. It looks so good and it's so good. So try it at home. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next one.